What's up YouTube? It's your girl Kat, and today I'm gonna be cooking sticky rice. So sticky rice is a staple in my house. We eat it with everything. It's typically not a standalone dish, so we're eating it with protein, soups, salads, and then also some amazing dipping sauces. To get started, you're gonna need a few things. One, you need the rice. So sticky rice is also called sweet rice. That's mostly what you're gonna see it labeled in the grocery. It comes in long grain and short grain, and for this particular video, I'm using long grain. And then also the steaming pot, the bamboo steamer and lid. If you don't have the lid, that's all right. You can use a plate, a bowl, or a pan lid. You'll also need the bamboo basket. We store our warm cooked sticky rice right in this basket. And then for today's video, just for a little fun, I'm going to be making purple sticky rice. So this is the food coloring that I will be using. You can use any food coloring that you can get at the store. Super basic, nothing special about this. All right, so now that you know a little bit about sticky rice and the equipment that you need, let's get cooking. Begin by adding our dry, uncooked rice to a bowl. Now keep in mind that rice doubles in size during the soaking process, so be sure that you're choosing a bowl that will accommodate that expansion. Next, we're going to be adding a generous amount of food coloring. Stir the rice and then allow it to soak. This soaking process will cause the grains to swell slightly and will aid in faster cooking times. Once your rice has been soaking a minimum of 4 hours, 24 hours minimum if you're using the food coloring, what we're gonna do is take our steamer pot and we're gonna fill it just a couple inches with water. And the next step is to strain and wash our sticky rice, and I'm gonna do it right here in the bamboo basket. So what I do is just place it neatly in the sink and add our rice, allowing the water from the bowl to strain through the bamboo basket. Next will be washing our rice. Allow the water to run over the rice while we wash it and while we agitate it. Now what you'll notice is that the water running from the basket is cloudy. The way that you know that your rice is cleaned sufficiently is when that water starts to run clear. Now once the rice is sufficiently cleaned, we'll go ahead and pop that right on our steamer pot. We'll apply the lid. Then we're gonna move this right over to the stove top. We'll set our heat to high, and that's going to give us a great boil that will produce the steam that cooks our rice. Now you can expect cooking times to vary. It's really based on how much rice are you cooking and how long did you soak that rice. After about 10 minutes, I checked my rice by giving it a little pop on the counter and then pulling some rice from the center of the rice ball. I'm really feeling the consistency. Is it soft? Is it chewy feeling? I'll even taste it just to make sure that this rice is ready. Next, I'm gonna do a flip. We wanna make sure that the rice that was on the top of the rice ball is going to get cooked just as evenly as the bottom. Perfect flip, and then add it back to the burner for just a couple more minutes. When removing the rice from the steamer basket, you can place it on a shallow tray like the one I'm using here. Now the reason why we're separating and kneading the rice is to release some of that steam. Storing our cooked rice in the bamboo basket is the best way to prevent premature hardening. Now once this is in the basket, it is on the way to the table. It's time to try this rice. All right, oh my gosh, and look at the color. It is a beautiful lilac lavender color. Now we usually just eat the rice without food coloring, but it's just fun. It's fun for the kids, and it's definitely fun for parties. This turned out very, very pretty. Sticky rice should stick to each other, not to your hand. So if it's sticking to your hand, something's not right, sister. That's good. All right, fans, thank you so much for joining me. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe below. And until next time, cup chai.